Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, let me show you bulk print with one-click automation. Printing your letters, hassle-free. Mailing them out, hassle-free. All you have to do is set up your integration with LetterStream, in which you could set it up under Company, then go to Notification Automation. Set up your LetterStream account by clicking one-click print automation with LetterStream. Watch our LetterStream walkthrough training video at any time. Go through Step 1, watching the video. Step 2, creating your account. Step 3, activating your account and getting your LetterStream API credentials and keys. Once that's done, add in your API at the bottom of this screen and turn on your integration. Once that's done, go create your dispute letters. Move to the bulk print screen. Once your dispute has been sent to the bulk print screen, as easy as one click. One click, you'll be able to print your letters, mail out your letters at the same time without having to go through going to post office, purchasing any envelopes or any labels, arranging your letters from the letter itself, placing it in the envelopes. You won't have to do them anymore. All you would have to do is do a quick dispute. Once your dispute letters are already set and sent to bulk print screen, just click Send to LetterStream and all your letters will now be printed and will now be mailed through LetterStream. You can now sit back, relax, and wait at home until LetterStream completes the whole process and lets you know. You can easily attach documents as well prior to sending your letters to LetterStream by checking on the tick box if you wish to include an ID, social security card, or even the proof of address. You can also upload supporting documents from here by clicking on the plus sign. You can preview the letter prior to sending it to LetterStream, and you can preview the documents attached prior to sending them or attaching them. You can always edit the letter, and you can also delete them if you wish to. Now to print them out, just simply select the letters. Once you have selected the letters, click on Send to LetterStream and all your letters would now be moved into production and would be sent to LetterStream, and LetterStream will do the rest. LetterStream will prepare the letters, will print them out, and will get back to you as soon as they are mailed. Once the letters are mailed, you'll be able to see them moving from this status to a mailed status, and they would be moved from the current screen into the archive screen. All your mailed letters would be listed down here in the grid. That's how easy, fast, and convenient it is to print with one click. So that would complete our quick training tutorial about the one-click print automation.